Today in this video, we'll be making garlic cauliflower in the air fryer. Let's get started. We have here one cauliflower. Let's open it up. First thing we're gonna do is cut off the stem. Remove all of that. Now we're going to remove the stem again. Make a triangle, cut it out. There we go. Now we're just going to cut it into pieces. First thing we're gonna do is spray some olive oil. Flip it over and do the same thing. Okay. Now we're gonna add the seasoning. We're gonna start by adding sea salt. Okay, flip it over, do the same thing. There we go. The next thing we're going to add is some garlic powder. Flip it over. Just add the garlic powder again. The next thing we're going to add is onion powder. Flip it over. Some basil. Flip it over. And lastly, some black pepper. Okay, we're set. Now we're gonna preheat the air fryer. We're gonna preheat the air fryer at 380 degrees and we'll be back. Alright, the air fryer's been preheated and now we're gonna put in the cauliflower. Okay, we're gonna put them in. Alright, give it a good shake, spread them out, and then we're gonna spray just a little bit more olive oil. Here we go. Now we're gonna put them in at 380 degrees for a total time of 8 minutes. Okay, it's been 4 minutes and now we're gonna toss them around. Ooh, looking good. Just give them a toss real quick. There we go. Now we're gonna put it back in for the last 4 minutes. Okay, it's been 8 minutes at 380 degrees. Let's take a look. Whew, hot. Looking great. Smells really good too. Alright, this is what we have today. Garlic cauliflower made in the air fryer. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Here, have a bite. And thanks for watching.